Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how to install NordVPN on your PC. Now, if you are curious on what a VPN is and why you should have it, check out my video up here for more details on why it's important to have a VPN wall on a public Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and get started. And apologize ahead of time. I'm getting over a cold, so I might cough here and there, but we'll get through this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to NordVPN. Go ahead and go to the site. And what you can do is you can click the Get NordVPN if you want, and go ahead and purchase which package you want. I also have a link as well that I have down below where you get 3 months free to try NordVPN. So check out that if you're interested in getting it for 3 months for free. But I'm going to go ahead and log in, because let's say you've done that, you've set up your account, and now you are ready to go ahead and install it. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to Downloads. We're going to click on Download for Windows. And then it's going to go, there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Just going to go ahead and install it. There we go. Just have to be a little bit patient there. Alright, so welcome to NordVPN installer. We're going to go ahead and click Next. Value privacy, we're going to go ahead and accept. You can use these options if you want. I usually kind of limit what I select. And then I would keep those two on. Of course, you can also get this for your phone if you want. So if you do get it, you can, I believe, put it up, onto 5 devices once you can buy it. It requires, okay, we're going to go ahead and click yes. Haven't seen a net frame for quite some time. So I did the net frame. And hopefully this will keep moving on, progressing. I'm going to let this install, and then I'll get back to you in a little bit. Alright, so now it's finished downloading, so what we're going to go ahead and do is hit Launch NordVPN. Okay, and then it's going to have us go ahead and log in or create an account. open. So now we're going to go ahead and continue. Daily privacy and security, but so this you can skip if you want, or select one. Just helps their survey. So we're going to go ahead and click next, next, next. Secure my connection. So now what this is going to do is now it's going to make sure that your internet connection is secure. Now this is primarily what you want to do when connecting, when you're on a public Wi-Fi. You want to make sure you turn this on because it's going to make sure to secure your network connection and prevent you from getting spams or hacked or anything like that. You can also change your location if you want. So as you can see, they have tons of different countries. So I'm going to actually make this a little bit bigger. So for example, let's say you want to stream content, something in the UK or Canada that's only available in that country. All you have to do is click on the country and it's going to automatically switch to that connection in Canada, and it's going to act like as if you were actually in Canada, which is really kind of neat. And then you will see it says pause, so you can also set up auto connect, so it just automatically connects whenever you are online. And you can also even set up a feature. Let's see if I can find it again. Connection and security. So you can set up auto connect. So you can select whether it's Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or mobile. So you can pick which thing, or you can do all connections. And kill switch. And then internet kill switch, block all internet traffic when you are not connected to the VPN. So if you set this up, what it's going to do is this basically going to allow, until you connect to the VPN, it is not going to allow you to access the internet or use the internet unless you are fully connected to the VPN. And this is actually kind of a really neat feature. If you want to be extra safe, you can do this, which is kind of neat. But that is how you go about installing NordVPN on your PC. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel and want to support it, it's totally free. You can go ahead and subscribe and then click on that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.